Septic tanks might seem like a hassle, but they're honestly not that bad once you get the hang of how to handle them. Okay, so here's the deal with septic tanks. First, make sure you get the tank inspected before you buy a house. That way, you know it's working right and not about to cause a headache. You'll want to get your septic tank pumped every 2 to 3 years. It's like changing the oil in your car, just basic upkeep. Don't flush anything weird down the toilet. Stick to toilet paper only, because other stuff can mess up the system and cause backups. Also, avoid pouring grease or harsh chemicals down your drains, since that can kill the helpful bacteria that break down waste in the tank. Keep track of when your septic was last serviced. Some counties even have records you can check to stay updated. You don't really have to limit your water use drastically, but try not to overload the system by running multiple heavy loads of laundry back to back. Make sure everyone in the house knows what's okay to flush and what's not. That saves you a lot of trouble. If you do all that, your septic system should work smoothly without costing you a fortune. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping regular septic tank pumping, which can lead to system failure and expensive repairs. Just schedule it every few years to avoid this. Another common issue is flushing harmful items like wipes or feminine hygiene products, which clog pipes and cause backups. Stick with toilet paper only to keep things flowing. Lastly, ignoring water usage habits can stress the system, so don't run multiple washing machines or dishwashers at once. Spread out water use throughout the day for better performance. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners who need to find trustworthy local contractors for septic maintenance or repairs without the hassle of endless searching. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with real customers ready to get projects done, making it easier to grow their business.